ਮਦਰਹੁੱਡ ਜੋ ਇੱਕ ਫਿਲਮ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦ ਲਾਈਫ ਆਫ ਮਾਤਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸਰ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਭਗਵੰਤ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਆਲਸੋ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਚੈਪਲਿਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਡਿਫੈਂਸ ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਭਗਵੰਤ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ, ਵੀ ਜਸਟ ਸੀਨ ਅ ਟੀਜ਼ਰ for the film. Tell us a bit more about it. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਚਾਨਣਾ ਪਾਓ ਕਿ ਮਾਤਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਕੌਣ ਸੀਗੇ, especially for our kids at home who are watching.
Okay, so when a person receives Amrit from the Panj Pyare, they get given a new identity. They get reborn.
Okay.
And they get told that their father is Guru Gobind Singh Ji and their mother is Mata Sahib Kaur Ji. So actually Mata Sahib Kaur Ji is a really important figure for every Sikh because she is every Sikh's mother.
Okay.
So she's the spiritual mother of the entire Sikh nation. So whoever identifies as a Sikh, they've got a spiritual mother who is Mata Sahib Kaur Ji. And we think it's a shame, in fact, that not many people know much about her.
No.
They may not even have heard her name before.
Yeah.
But she's such an important person for us and for our identity. So if you think about your dunyavi mother, your worldly mother, the mother who carried you in her womb, gave birth to you and raised you, that worldly mother, she wants so much love and happiness for you. She gives so many blessings. Obviously she raises you, she feeds you, she makes sure you're never in pain. And if you think that's that's a dunyavi mata. But if we think about our spiritual mother, our Adhyatmik Mata, she would want even more blessings. We could get so much more happiness, so much love, so many kushia from her, if only we would connect with her. So that's one of the main reasons why we decided to make a movie about Mata Sahib Kaur Ji, because we want everyone to get connected to their spiritual mother. And I think I'd love to share some facts about Mataji's life with you.
Please do.
Because obviously she's quite a lesser known character and we want everyone to know more about her. So for example, Mataji she was totally devoted to Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And that was all she wanted. She just wanted to do Guruji's seva. She just wanted to serve Guruji and the Panth. And that's all her life was about. So when she joined Guru Gobind Singh Ji's family, when she became their wife, she was welcomed with open arms and she went straight into the family seva. So she helped to raise the two younger Sahibzade, Sahibzada Baba Zorawar Singh Ji, Sahibzada Baba Fateh Singh Ji. And she used to do Guru Gobind Singh Ji's Prashadda seva. So actually she had so much love and devotion in her for Guru Sahib and for their seva that she wouldn't eat herself until she had served Guru Gobind Singh Ji Prashadda, which is such a beautiful thing. If you look at the amount of bhavna and shraddha she must have had in her, I mean, to be able to actually just stay hungry until she'd served Guruji and then she would eat herself. And obviously for that great seva bhavna in her, that great loyalty and devotion to the Khalsa and to Guruji, then Guruji gave her this massive role and responsibility of being the mother of the Khalsa. So they bestowed that upon her.
ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜੋ ਜੌਬ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਿੱਖ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਅਕਸਰ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਹਾਲਾਤਾਂ 'ਚ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਤਕਲੀਫ 'ਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਦੇ ਇਨ ਅ ਲੋਟ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਕਰੰਟਲੀ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਐਜ਼ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਕੀ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਧਰਮ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ?
So Vijay, from Sikhi perspective, there is a solution to every problem. So Marj has given us the solution to every problem. So a Sikh household will face the same sort of challenges on a worldly level. So it could be the domestic issues, could be the things around mental health, or every other thing that we hear these days. But Gurbani has given us a way to navigate through these things. The issue is that how do we connect? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ, families ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, obviously we talk about kids, their children, extended families. So are we connecting with each other on the basis of Gursikhi? And how we actually encouraging our children actually to basically walk on that path as well. First of all, in order to do that, we need to walk on that path. So because we are the first role models for our children, for our family, for young people around us as well. And there are many things we can do, but one of the things I discovered is that kids like three things. a lot. One could be whenever they're going anywhere, they will ask, are my friends coming there? Yeah. So, haan nu haan pyar ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਦੂਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਉਹ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ okay is it going to be a little bit of excitement, you know, they create excitement like Guru Gobind Singh Ji created excitement and these, you know, such an excitement that these pyare stood up to give their head ਕੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ excitement create ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਿਰ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਕਿ
ਥੋੜੇ ਜੋਸ਼ੀਲੇ ਸਰਾਊਂਡਿੰਗਸ
activities and excitement Maharaj created that excitement ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ surrender ਹੈਗਾ. So in our environment around us today, in today's society, are we creating that excitement for our kids? So, and third thing is reward, appreciation without judgment. So just elaborating a little bit. So the first thing I said, friends. So we are in COVID, right? The situations are such you can't see your friends. And sometimes you don't have siblings in the house as well. So there is a lot of isolation, loneliness for children as well. But who stops parents or anybody else to become at their level in order to teach them, or in order to just have that Sikhi environment in such a way that it doesn't become a chore, a burden nahi hega, a par nahi hega. I love doing this. You know, this is my best time to sit down with my family and do Ras. Why? Because there is an excitement in it. We create that excitement. Penji was talking about movie, right? There's animation in the movie. How beautiful is that? So if I say to them, I'm going to tell you the story of motherhood, they will love stories, right? But as soon as put the visualization into it, they don't need anybody. They just sit in front of, watch it. So excitement created, and there are many other ways of creating that excitement. And the third thing is that, okay, let them be kids. So they can do as much. We are here to uplift them, you know, kind of take them to next level, but without judgment. But instead, if we can reward them, thoda je mithe boli jaisi bole na, if you can just speak sweetly to them and appreciate their look, wow, you tried that today. That will work a long way. It's just amazing that the results that come out of that thing. So yeah, there are issues, but you know, the Maharaj has given us the solutions which are much bigger than the issues for us, and given us the ways to navigate around those issues for sure.
Teaser. When is the film releasing, and will it be in the same mold as other animated films that we've seen? And also, why hasn't there been more films about females? I mean, we did see in one of the, I think the films of Char Shahzade, we saw a role of Mai Pagoji, but however, it wasn't elaborated on, and it was just, why do you think that is? And also, when is it releasing, and how long will it be? Will it be in cinemas? Will it be on what platforms will it be on?
Okay, so we're really happy to say that we're very close to release. Unfortunately, obviously because of COVID, the global lockdown, so many delays, so many offices were closed and people working from home. So all of these delays impacted the production. And also because of the COVID situation, nothing is certain at the moment, even in like the cinema environment. So we can't give an exact date for release. However, we're working very hard to release as soon as possible. And we're just in the final stages of like the post-production. We'll be aiming to release as far and wide as possible. So you asked which platform. We're looking to book cinema halls. We're looking to go online, digital as well. So we're looking into different options, and we want to reach as many people as possible, because that's the whole point. We want the story to reach every Sikh, and that's the only purpose of making this movie. It's not like a commercial project. And in fact, this project is quite unique because it was made for the Sangat, by the Sangat. So many people watching the show already might have heard of the movie, because we've been promoting it from such a long time and inviting volunteers, sevadars to get involved in whichever way they can. And it's very much a community project. So we would request that when the movie is released, it will be releasing very soon. So keep an eye on our social media, which is Movie Motherhood. Okay. So you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the other platforms at Movie Motherhood. So keep an eye on our social media, and when the movie is released, because it is for all generations, for the elderly and for children as well, and for all generations, we need everyone to support the movie and go and watch it. So buy the tickets, buy them for your whole family, and provide also financial support for the elderly to go to the theatre showings, even if they're not in their own cities, or pay for tickets for people who can't afford them. the main thing is we need this story to reach everyone because it's about our spiritual mother. And our mother can give us so many blessings, but only if we learn about them and find out about them. And sorry, just quickly to answer your question about why hasn't these kind of movies been made before, I really believe it's just because we haven't tapped into the correct form of Prachar. We're just doing Prachar in Gurdwara, or, you know, we're hearing Katha in Punjabi and in English. So many great organizations are doing brilliant Katha and Prachar out there on digital platforms. But I think we haven't, as a Panth, as a nation, we haven't realized how to bring ourselves into the digital era, and we really need to tap into animation. So this is just the start, and we're hoping to do loads more movies and show all the Sikh itihas that, like you said, is just not been shown until now.
Thank you ਜੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ
Yeah, and I think one important point which I definitely picked up is ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕੌਮ ਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਦੀ ਆ, ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਸੁਣ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਕੌਮ ਦੀ ਮਾਤਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਡੈਡੀ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਮੰਮੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਾਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੀ ਅਹਿਮੀਅਤ ਦੇਈਦੀ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੌਮ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈਏ ਹੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੌਮ ਦੀ ਮਾਤਾ ਕੌਣ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਸੰਦੇਸ਼ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ। ਦੈਟ ਵਾਜ਼ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਵੱਲ। ਹੁਣ ਅਪ ਅੰਟਿਲ ਨਾਓ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਜ਼ਰੀਏ ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਹਾਊ Sikhs and Punjabis have viewed Vaisakhi and have viewed the Sikh religion. But actually, there was a time when our countries were occupied by the British. And now we need to go and find out, what did the British think of Sikhs and what do they think of Vaisakhi? And for that, we have an interview now with Professor Eleanor Nesbitt, who has researched the topic. And we're now going to go to that. Appa milde ji is interview to baad.